Have you ever gazed into a shadow box, a tiny world tucked inside a frame, and felt something soften inside your chest? There's a quiet kind of magic in these miniature realms. Each object, each painted corner, becomes more than decoration. It becomes a story your soul is telling with its hands. When you build a shadow box, you're not just gluing trinkets. You're honoring memories, hopes, and the hidden dreams that whisper softly beneath your everyday thoughts. Maybe you place a tiny bench for your inner child to rest on. Maybe a moon to illuminate the dreams you're still growing toward. Maybe a doorway that symbolizes a chapter you survived. The act of choosing, arranging, and creating invites you into presence. Your mind slows, your breath deepens, and suddenly the small world in the frame becomes a mirror for the one inside your beautiful heart. Psychologists have long observed that creative play reduces stress and increases emotional resilience. When we create with intention, our nervous system shifts out of survival mode and back into curiosity, wonder, and healing. Shadow boxes are more than crafts. They are safe containers symbolizing the full spectrum of being human: joy, grief, longing, gratitude, and hope. Each tiny world says something powerful. My story matters. My healing is unfolding. My imagination is still alive. So, my treasures, if you could build a small universe inside a shadow box, what would it hold? A memory? A dream? A version of yourself still waiting to bloom? Tell me below. Let's heal the world by being loving sanctuaries of light for each other.